Hello followers, thanks for joining. So today we are going to see the topic Oracle SQL Functions. It's most important concept. So if you want to manipulate data while querying it, we can use functions and we can manipulate and we can give the excellent result to the front-end developer for reporting or any other development. Okay. So just we have two types of functions. One is single row function and multiple row function, or else we call it as aggregate function. Single row function, what will happen? It will process each row and it will produce one result per row. And we have this character, number, date, conversion function. These are the single row functions we have. Multiple row function, it will process group of rows and each group it give one result for the group. So these are the aggregate functions, sum, average, count, min, max. Okay. So just we will go with single row functions. We have start with small. So upper, lower, INITCAP. These are the character conversion function. If you want to change it uppercase or lowercase or INITCAP while projection, you can use these conversion functions. So we can use these functions all the places. If you want to use it in the select class, you can use it. If you want to use it in the where class, you can use it in the order by class, group by class, everywhere we can use it. Okay, that's the very good benefit of the functions. Okay. Then we can see substring, how the substring for data cleaning, it will helps a lot. Okay, then you'll see how the substring function works. What happen? It will accept two parameters, the basics in the substring and input which column or which string we are going to manipulate. Then starting position m and from ending position from where we need. Okay. So if m is 0, automatically it will treat as 1. 1 to this position it will take. If m is negative, then it will come on the left reverse backward. Okay. So if n the length is less than 0, then it will be null. The n always should be uh, greater than 0, or it can be excluded. If excluded, then it will take the entire string starting from that. Okay. So unconcatenate function, already we saw the concatenation operator. We have this one also, concat. This one also we can use it. Okay. These are the concept we are going to see. Let's start. Okay. Select star from EMP. Okay. If you see, uh, uh, they want to see the name INITCAP. So in the database, we are not going to change. Just in the display, they want to see INITCAP or lower case. Okay. Just what we can do, select. We can put lower, just init from EMP. See, just without changing anything in the database, while display, we can change it using this conversion function. Okay. Example. So if you want upper, so already it's stored in the uppercase. If you want still, if the data is in lowercase, but still you want uppercase, then you can use upper function name. If you want init cap. See, if you see, the header areas I have not given, that's why it's showing this. No issues. Okay, so lowercase it will convert the all values into lowercase. Upper it will convert init cap. It will convert first letter capital, remaining all small. If we have in between space, then the next character it will show. example how it is. Let's see if we have any data. Okay, go with some. Um, I am giving my name, Bhagiraj Raja. Okay, just I took two literals. See, um, this is the original string. So I gave intentionally first character has here lowercase. If we are using INITCAP, automatically it will change this R into capital. Okay, that is the INITCAP. Okay, if you have thousands of lines, if you want to convert it into INITCAP, only the starting letter, and if in between space, then next character it will automatically convert into capital. Okay, not only this, if we have any special symbol also, it will convert. Let's show that. So if you see, uh, see at a special symbol, so it's able to identify at, then it's making it capital letter. So interview, they will ask what are the place it will change the init cap. So this is the one point. So it will space and special symbol. It will identify as a escape sequence and identify and change it to init cap. Okay. So your number it won't identify. Okay. If you see instead of this, if you give one, it won't. So special symbol and space. Okay. So that's okay. Okay. So after dot also, if you see, it's C. Okay. These are the concept in very small function. For reporting purpose, you will see it. Okay. These are the functions immediately. Anywhere we can use it. Example like select star from. So example in the result set, some places the user entered a small upper, but still they want to fetch all the data. That time what you can do? Select star from EMP, where class also where you can use uppercase, you can convert it, convert in a equal to example. I am going with Smith. Smith. Ah, okay. See, example e name equal to per. See, example if they are giving. uh, So here where class, if we are not using upper, you won't get the data. Example, if you see no rows because it's stored in the uppercase. Okay, at that time you can use upper conversion function. So based on the requirement, you can change it and use it, and you can fetch the data. Okay, so okay. Next one is um substring function. Okay, this is very important function. So it selects um e name job. EMP. See if you see here. Um, just they'll ask, I want to see only um, last three character in the job. Okay, how we can see an example. We see select um, job, okay, and substring, yeah, substring, okay. Then which column we are going to do the search, job, which position we are going to see. Okay, first we will go with starting position. So from starting, if we are putting one starting position, how many records I want? Three. First three character I want starting from. Okay, okay, from EM. See, in the what I did, substring of whatever the column, it can be any column or list string, anything it can be. From the where I am starting the beginning first character, and I need three character. So it's exactly picking those, and we are showing in the display. Okay, example. This is the next one things, if we are mentioning minus, say negative, I want to see from 3 and 3. Let me show this one also. See what the instruction, if you are giving minus, what it will go? It will go the backside, backward, and it will start 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 means this position, and this 3 always go in the forward direction. So 1, 2, 3. So these three letter. That's the way it's coming back, and it start printing the three letter. That's the way it will print. Okay. Uh, if you give two, then first two letter. So if you see, if it's came back and first two letter it gave. Okay, that's the way the substring work. Now we'll test the negative scenario also. If we are giving 0, then no, it will be null. Okay, if we give minus also, it will be null. Okay, no rows. So this one here also, but this value is null. Okay, these are the things to check. Okay, if you exclude this, what happen? It will bring wherever you are ending from to all the till end all the records. Okay. Example, if you see, sometimes if you mention it starting from third position, and the ending position, if you are not giving, it will bring rest of the all the characters starting from third character. Okay, this the way we can identify exact particular part, and we can pick the character. Okay, in the string. Okay, so these are the strings. So sometime you will get confused, but there is no confusion here. If you understand the um, logic, then you can first start with where you are going to start and where you are going to end, and what are the um, character you are going to pick it up. Okay, that's understanding. If you have, then so interviews, how we will get the questions. Let me so select star from M. Okay, one minute. That concatenate function also I will show it. Select star from. So they want to see employee name and job same. Then we can show it. Um, concat name, comma job. So just instead of using pipe, we can use this one also. That's the concatenation function. Concat. Okay. It's concatenate. Okay. So if you want to nested, what you can do? That next, I want to see some space. Come on, job. So based on your need, you can cut nested. Concat. Concat. This one space. Concat ename space. Okay. Let me try this. Okay. See, just first I am doing nesting of this. After that, I am concatenating job. So just in between, I want space. Okay. So interviewers, they ask, I want to see output like this way. Okay. So sometimes interviewer ask the output. So interviews, what exactly they won't ask directly. Tell about init lower upper functions. Just they will ask. They will put some data. Then they will say, I want to see on data example here, employee name hyphen his job clerk. Then he asked mgr hyphen his hire date month example tec. Okay. uh, hyphen 20. This is the way I want the format. That's way they ask questions interview. Just for all the employee, you have to print it this way, the output. That's what the question will come in the interviews. How you just, it's a simple thing. Just ename. So I am concatenating with hyphen type. Then ename, then it's job hyphen select ename, then job, then hyphen, then mgr, then what they're actually the higher date. They are asking from the fourth position. First three positions are letter, then month. So then you can use substring starting in the higher date column, starting from third position. How many character? Three character unit. Okay, this is the one. Then next hyphen hyphen department number from year date. I am giving the alias by details. See, sorry, it's 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 not from uh, 1, 2, 3, another 3. Okay. Okay. So now what it took starting from third character, but we should start from fourth because in the employee data 1, 2, 3 till the hyphen it's 3 D's the month starting with fourth. So that's why it's going to hyphen. So it's starting from 4, 4 next 3 character we need. See, now exactly printing. Okay. So interviews, they will ask, simply they will give some output in the screen or paper, then get this output from this data. Okay. In your project also, in some reporting purpose, they want to see this kind of data. So based on that, so you want to use the upper INITCAP functions also. Here you can verify it. That's the way you can use these functions. It's for reporting project, it's quietly we use and it become very handy. Okay. Uh, Please utilize this function properly and improve your code. Okay. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. I will be start posting each and every topic with the practical session. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Share your comment and feedback in the channel. Okay. Thank you.